Okay, so this is just a short video over a little bit of your homework. I know that you're still practicing and trying to understand this. So we did the first example together in class. And so I'm going to go to page 2. Remember, we're looking to see, the easiest thing is to find something that's being held constant and then comparing everything else. And so if I look here on trial 1 and 2, this is being held constant. So I'm going to compare for B, trials 1 and 2. And when I do that, I'm going to get that this is times 3. And this is times 9 when I do the math. And again, I said do 3 raised to what equals 9. And 3 squared equals 9, so that means that B is second order. And so now I'm going to look again, and I need to find 2 places. So here for B, it's being held constant between 1 and 3, so I compare trials 1 and 3 for A. And when I look, they're the same. And this is, so it's 0.420 and 0.14. And so A is first order. To get my overall order, I basically take for the first order plus the second order, and that makes it the third order. That's how I get overall. To write the rate expression, I will simply say rate equals K A to the first, B to the squared. And to find my value, I will use that expression that I just wrote, and now I'm going to step in numbers and solve for my K. And so always go back to row number 1, and when I go to that, I have 0.420 for the rate, K. This is 0.420 for the A. B is 0.530 squared, and K is 3.56. Okay. Same thing that you'll be doing here as well. The only thing that might have caught your attention on this was when you looked at, so most of you I think will get A no problem, but let's look at B real quick. If I'm looking at B, so if I look towards A, here it's being held constant. So I'm comparing this on B. Now look over here to your rate. Oh. And what do you notice about your rate? If you said it stays the same, absolutely correct. Or no change. And the only way that I can get a no change is that means that B is a 0 order. And that this whole reaction is based off of A. And that's the only clue I'll give you on that one. Okay? And then we'll go here. Page 4. Page 4 I don't think you'll have any problem with as well. Again, look to see what you're holding constant. Page 5, again, be careful. Make sure you take time to notice how is, when you change the concentration of 1, what happens to your rate. I'll leave it at that because I've already given you enough hint on that one. And then page 6. And I think you're capable of handling that. All right.